Hi guys, it's Miss Julianne coming to you with the Gail Borden Public Library at your home. So we're going to do a couple more different kinds of Play-Doh. We're going to do a cornstarch Play-Doh, and we are going to do the marshmallow Play-Doh today. So we're going to start with our cornstarch Play-Doh, and it's really simple. You just need four ingredients. You need your cornstarch, you need dish soap, you need some water, and you need some food coloring, and then you're going to need something to stir with. I always forget to get something out to stir with. So let's get our fork out. And the first thing we're going to do is to add our cornstarch. And it's not going to make a huge batch of cornstarch dough, but we're going to put in half a cup of our cornstarch. We're going to put it in our big red bowl. And then 1/3 of a cup of our dish soap. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And I'm going to put it down here so it's easier to squeeze. And your kids can definitely help you with this part. So we got 1/3 of a cup. We're going to pour it in with our cornstarch. And then it doesn't ask for very much water. It says a tablespoon of water. So we're going to get our water. And then we're just going to add a few drops of blue food coloring just to make it a little extra blue. And then we're going to stir it up. See, this dough is really soft as well, just like the dough we had last week. And it smells good, and it's really soft on your hands. So, it's still kind of sticky. You can see in there. So I'm going to add just a touch more of the cornstarch. And this is just the cornstarch that we use. We don't cook with this. This is just for our sensory fun. So it's okay if I reach in with my fingers. And we're going to stir, stir, stir. And then we're going to take it out. Get all of it out. You know, it's still feeling sticky to me. So let's get just a you know what, I'm going to use a spoon for this one because my fingers are all sticky with the mixture. I'm just going to put a little bit more on there, kind of mix it up. And you just keep on adding and mixing. It's kind of like a little science experiment until you get the right texture. Wow. Okay. Oh, it's starting to feel right. It's really light and airy, and it feels really good on your hands. It is kind of messy, but once you get the right consistency, it's really fun to play with. And it was pretty quick to make. So here we have cornstarch dough. And if you want to make it a little more exciting, you could add some glitter. Sometimes with Play-Doh we like to add sprinkles to it. Kids enjoy pouring and mixing the sprinkles almost as much as they enjoy playing with the Play-Doh. So we're going to set that aside. So for marshmallow Play-Doh, not too many more ingredients. We're gonna make yellow marshmallow Play-Doh today. It's yellow orangish. So we are gonna take around 6 to 8 of the large marshmallows and just put them in our bowl. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These marshmallows are kind of fighting me. They don't want to go in. 8. So we've got 8 marshmallows. And the next ingredient is we're going to put in some coconut oil. And we're going to do 2 teaspoons. We're going to scoop it in. Just kind of put it right in the bowl with the marshmallows. And then we're gonna put in our food coloring. And we're gonna put in probably, this is one you don't really wanna overdo the coloring too much. Let's put in 8 squirts or 8 drops. 1, 2, can you count with me? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our final ingredient for this is our cornstarch. We need 4, now let's make it 5 tablespoons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna pop it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. We'll see if that's enough time. So the marshmallow Play-Doh is really good and fun to play with at home. It doesn't keep for long, and that's why it's not really great for the big classes that we did at the library. Because we didn't have a lot of time to prep things the morning of, and marshmallow Play-Doh really should be used the day you make it. Okay, let's see if it is ready. Looks like it's ready. Our marshmallows puffed up really big. So we're just gonna take this spoon and start stirring. You know what? We could probably use just a tiny bit longer in the microwave. Let's give it another 10 seconds. So, and this marshmallows, or the marshmallow Play-Doh smells really good. So, no extra scent needed. Okay, let's see if this will work better. Okay, there we go. And it's starting to mix up. It's really sticky right now. And it doesn't look too much color went on it. So I'm going to add a few more drops of our food coloring. If I can unstick my fingers. And stir some more. We've got still some cornstarch kind of on the bottom, kind of a loose mix. And then what we do, it is going to be sticky right now, but we're going to put some of the cornstarch down on the counter. And then we're going to put this, the mixture. And it's not like the Play-Doh we made last week where it made a neat kind of ball in there. It's kind of all messy still right now. So the color's not really mixed in. Still a little sticky, you see the white, but as you start kneading it, the color goes through it and it gets more of its form. It'll be kind of shiny by the time it's done because of the coconut oil that's in it. Let's see. So it doesn't make very much Play-Doh. If you're going to, you know, want to play with a large group or more than one child, you'll probably want to make either like a double batch, or you could use this recipe and make maybe like 4 or 5 batches with different colors. And no need to scent it because it's got kind of a little scent, natural scent to it. So today we made our 2 kinds of Play-Doh. We made our marshmallow Play-Doh, which is definitely not as soft. It's kind of more of a rubbery feel. And we made our cornstarch Play-Doh, which is super soft. Both of them are fun. Just a little different kinds of Play-Doh that you can make. So I hope you had fun learning about Play-Doh. I hope you come back next week to learn some more fun stuff, sensory fun things to do with your child. Bye.